Thank you for joining me in another installment of Mind Games. Today we're going to look at how averages can be misleading. Let's say you are told that the expected average return of your portfolio is 7.2%. How do you visualize that? Because the brain thinks in a linear fashion, it's likely to visualize it as an upward sloping line rather than a stock market of constantly fluctuating values. Since 1970, the stock market, as measured by the S&P 500, has had an average return of 10% per year. How many of those 46 years do you think the yearly performance was within plus or minus 2% of the average? In other words, the annual return was somewhere between 8 and 12%. Maybe you would estimate that it occurred half the time, so 23 times. No, lower than that. Okay, so how about 13 times? No, lower even still. Did you know that the market returned close to the average only 3 times in the past 46 years? That translates into only 7% of the years. Yet the market returned more than 30% or less than 10% over 1/4 of the time. We learned that oftentimes average may not be normal, and that the yearly results may differ greatly from the long-term average. It is important to understand the range of returns you may experience on your way to obtaining the average return. Thank you for joining me today. Financial planning is important and can mean the difference between worrying about your finances your whole life and achieving goals you didn't think were even possible. Here at 3 Financial Group, we're here to help in a judgment-free way. We want you to be confident about your finances, so we've committed to giving you every option to solve your problems. Contact us today to get started.